What's up, YouTube family? This video is a little riding video of my wife and I headed up to Kenscoff, and we weren't sure if we were going to get caught in the rain, but my wife didn't really want to go up these dirt mountain roads, and I talked her into it, and you guys can see in the commentary our conversations are quite hilarious. For the record, I love my wife so much, and I am very sarcastic, so don't think I'm trying to be mean or something. But it ended up being a blast. It was like probably 20 degrees cooler up there, and I don't know, we had a good time. Super hard for me to edit videos here because it takes so long and I'm not good at it. If I was a lot better and I had a better program, probably it would be a lot faster, but I get it done when I can. So I have a ton of riding videos. If you guys like them, give me a thumbs up, and I'll get some more of them edited for you guys and posted up. Thanks for watching and enjoy.
You want to stop for today since it's raining? No, just on these bumpy downhills, it gets pretty wild.
Yeah, I'm excited when
Stop! You like it?
I don't like it. Let the record state, Alex hates his wife.
Alex loves his wife. He wants her to experience the beautiful,
They're going up the mountains on some scary, shady road.
Alright, this is one you want to hold on for. Oh no. Oh boy. Alright. Where are we? There you go. Here's another spot. There. Yeah, that's kind of cool. Yeah, take a picture or look for pizza? Yeah. Here, I'll just pull over right here.
Over there.
Yeah.
Some fall off that cliff.
Alright, we'll go right off.
No,
Nice Jeep. For sale, older one. Look at that house up there.
that's pretty cool.
Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed. I had a blast editing this video, and I was dying laughing, just me and my wife talking during the ride back down the hill. It was funny, so I hope I'll have to show her this video too, and she can get a laugh out of it. As always, like and subscribe, and let me know if you like the video down in the comments, and I will keep them coming.